Space, the final frontier. It beckons us with wonder and the promise of discovery. But beneath this allure lies unsettling truths. Space is an abyss, teeming with invisible threats. It's a realm where physics twist and reality frays, a place of unimaginable beauty and ancient terror. To venture into this expanse is to confront the infinite and our insignificant place within it. The silence of space is unlike any silence on Earth. It's absolute, unbroken. Even the explosive birth and death of stars occur in utter silence. Imagine being stranded in the void, your spacecraft now a silent tomb. No rescue ships on the horizon. You are utterly alone, adrift in an ocean of darkness. Space is not an empty void. It's a seething cauldron of lethal radiation, constantly bombarding everything in its path. Cosmic rays, solar flares, and stellar winds carry with them enough energy to rip through our cells, leaving behind a trail of genetic damage. On Earth, our atmosphere acts as a shield, absorbing the brunt of this cosmic barrage. But in space, we are exposed, vulnerable to the invisible onslaught. Imagine the insidious creep of radiation sickness, slowly eating away at your body. Your DNA, the blueprint of your very being, is scrambled and rewritten. Your cells, once perfectly tuned machines, begin to malfunction. The once comforting warmth of the sun becomes a source of dread, a reminder of the invisible forces constantly trying to breach your fragile vessel. In this terrifying reality, the very source of life as we know it becomes our enemy. Black holes. Even the name evokes a sense of dread, a whisper of cosmic horror. These gravitational monsters are the remnants of collapsed stars, their cores crushed to an infinitely dense point known as a singularity. Their gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. To fall into a black hole would be to experience the ultimate oblivion, your body stretched and torn apart by tidal forces as you hurtle towards the singularity. But even more terrifying are the rogue black holes, invisible wanderers lurking in the depths of interstellar space. These cosmic predators drift unseen through the galaxy, their presence only betrayed by the gravitational distortions they create. To encounter a rogue black hole would be a cosmic horror story come to life, a sudden and inescapable encounter with an invisible force that devours everything in its path. For centuries, humanity has looked to the stars and wondered, are we alone? The possibility of extraterrestrial life, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, is now a serious scientific inquiry. But as we delve deeper into this question, we must also confront a chilling possibility. What if the universe is silent, not because we're alone, but because advanced civilizations inevitably destroy themselves? This is the chilling implication of the Great Filter, a hypothetical barrier that prevents life from reaching high levels of technological advancement. Perhaps intelligent life is inherently self-destructive, prone to nuclear war, ecological collapse, or some other existential threat. Or maybe there are other, even more terrifying filters out there, cosmic forces that snuff out civilizations before they can reach out to the stars. The silence of the universe, then, becomes a haunting testament to our own mortality, a reminder that we might not be the exception to this cosmic rule. The human body, a marvel of biological engineering, is woefully ill-equipped for the rigors of space travel. Our bones, accustomed to the constant pull of gravity, weaken and become brittle in the weightlessness of space. Our muscles atrophy, our cardiovascular systems struggle to adapt. Even our minds, the seat of our consciousness, are vulnerable to the psychological stresses of long-duration spaceflight. Imagine the crushing isolation of a deep space mission. Confined within the metal walls of your spacecraft, you are cut off from the sights, sounds, and sensations of Earth. The familiar cycle of day and night is gone, replaced by the artificial rhythms of your shipboard routine. The faces of your loved ones, once a source of comfort, now exist only as distant memories, flickering on your computer screen. In this environment, Even the most stable mind can begin to fray at the edges. Loneliness, depression, even hallucinations can take root, transforming the once familiar into something alien and threatening.